What up, everybody? Just another night, about to head out, about to show my friend Perimeter Road. Let's go. Just waiting on him to show up. Should be supposed to be meeting here at this Uncle John. We're just gonna take a jeepney down there to Perimeter Road, check out some of the bars and everything. So it should be coming up shortly. Oh, I guess he ended up going to the wrong spot. Said he had JJ. I don't know how he got Uncle John's and JJ mixed up. Exchange rate today, 58.40. Yeah, so this JJ Supermarket, they open like 24 hours if you ever need groceries and you're in this area or whatever. But we're gonna take the jeepney over to Perimeter. Okay. Yeah, I got it. Show you the bars over there. Yeah, that's kind of like a good thing and a bad thing, because sometimes I don't want to be seen, but with me being so tall and also being black, like, it's hard to miss me. It's hard to like be hanging out incognito, you know.
Got a girl wanting to do a bowling date.
Oh, okay.
There's this girl I've been talking to. She works at the restaurant, has the karaoke. She wants us to visit at 10.
Oh, today?
Tonight, yeah.
So you're gonna head back at 10?
Well, I mean, back to Walking Street.
Oh, down at Whiteman Street?
Yeah, it said it's by Regal.
Oh, okay. Cool.
You know where that's at?
No, I don't. So this is the jeepney to get y'all down to Margarita station and Perimeter. Just gotta pay the guy real quick. For two.
LA Grand.
Yeah.
Residence. You know where that's at?
Oh, that's further down that way.
Oh, okay. Is that where we're heading?
We'll be in that vicinity. Just gotta wait for the jeepney to get full, then we'll be on our way.
Well, it don't take long.
No, probably take like less than 5 minutes.
In Thailand, song towels, you can pay extra.
Oh yeah, some people do that. I seen it happen once.
Turned into a taxi.
Yeah. Like, I'm tired of waiting and then just pay the extra. Go have a beer. I could grab a small bite to eat, play pool, and Margarita station real quick. Then we'll check out these bars right here.
Alright.
That dude didn't want to stop.
No. Well, I'll watch them.
Yeah. Then this place open 24 hours, Margarita station.
Thai food too?
Oh yeah, they got like Asian dishes and American dishes. Like they got a little bit of everything.
I just ate them.
Yeah. We can play a game of pool.
Good evening.
Hey, good evening. Hey, how you doing?
Good evening.
So this Margarita station.
So what is the no fake PWD?
Oh.
I see it everywhere.
Oh, cause some people they try to use the like disability card when they not Philippine citizens and stuff like that. Yeah. So this Margarita station, they got pool tables over there. Yeah, we can sit over here.
Nice, like cool place.
Yeah. Gonna order me something to eat real quick and get back with you guys. Just paid my bill. Just got some. Got a cheeseburger and some fries with some Cajun seasoning on it. I want to show you outside. Right here. Yeah, they got a pool out here. And on Thursdays and Saturdays from 5 to 10 p.m. they have the Mongolian barbecue. Just come out here and make you a plate. So.
Hot tub, everything out here.
Yep.
Crazy.
Just waiting on the change. Then over here they got the pies. Look at the pies. Got the carrot cake, blueberry cheesecake, and apple pie, and the pecan overload. Yeah. Oh, there she go.
Blueberry cheesecake.
Cool. Thank you. Just grabbing the change. Now I'll go do some walking around.
Good choice, buddy.
What up?
Good choice.
Oh, thanks. Appreciate it. So down that way, they just got a few restaurants down that way. Then this way, this is where the bars start for like Perimeter Road and everything. But we just gonna walk past these and start at the end and work our way back. Yeah. Yeah, these are girl bars, yeah. Like the quality of girls in these bars is just different than on Walking Street for the most part. Similar, a little bit lower than Walking Street. Like the beers are lower. Like I'll go to that. back there, Black Satin, and also Bad Decisions right here. Okay. Oh yeah, we come back this way because we got one right here. Yeah, got the ATM over at what's that? Black Satin. Yeah, so they got roughly about like 3 or 4 bars right here. Then this Garfield's, that's just like a regular bar. Just grab a beer, chit chat with whoever you with. Hello. Hello. Yeah. And Garfield closed at 10 p.m. Then there's a couple bars down this street, off to the left-hand side, but I really don't go to those. Then
No lights, I don't want to go there.
yeah, then if you go down that street and make a right, they got the Capitol Hotel, and they got like a all-you-can-eat breakfast buffet.
Cool. Where's the ATM there?
Oh, it's down there. You want to go to ATM first?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So we about to go to the ATM, and we're gonna get back with y'all here later. What up, everybody? So just stopped at this Sip and Sing. Recommend checking it out. It's right next to La Grande. Got some karaoke and everything. I didn't want to show what's going on in there because I don't know who's with who. I don't want to get somebody caught up. But right now I'm getting ready to head down the walking street. So let's go. So the Fields, no, not Fields. Perimeter Road is right ahead. So we just going to walk down here and catch a jeepney. Streets be dark. Yeah, my friend called it an early night last night, so he didn't get to check out Mega with me. So I'm about to take him to Mega, show him what it's like. And what I do when it's at like dark like this, I normally just have like my phone screen on and just wave down the jeepney. That way they actually stop. So far I haven't been passed up yet, unless it's just full.
Some of them right there.
Yeah, but it's not on the route. But that's like a vent. Yeah. Yeah, one thing about Sip and Sing, it was cool because a lot of Filipinas with an S, and Filipinos like to sing. Just come, check it out, and fill it out. The options are there. That's all I'm gonna say. Yeah, y'all can see the blue and green lights. That's where Black Satin is. So we're gonna wait for a jeepney right there along the Black Satin and Bad Decisions. And the jeepney gonna be 13 pesos one way. Filipino style karaoke right there. Resto bar. We'll go this way.
That little bar had the best looking girl I've seen tonight.
Oh yeah, that one look. She was cute.
One going right across from us.
Yeah. Yeah, these bars close early over here though. That's one thing. Like, cause it's almost 12 and half of them already closed. So you gotta get over here kind of early. Just gotta wait for a jeepney. Yeah, so made it close to a walking street. So tonight went to Margarita station, had a good meal, played some pool. After that, went to Bad Decisions. They had a good lineup of girls out there. Definitely a must check out if you're near Perimeter Road. What's cool about the bars on Perimeter Road, they got the pool tables, so you can either sit, watch the girls, or go play pool. After that, went to Black Satin. Black Satin had a nice vibe in there. Same thing with tea backs. Then my friend, he wanted to go sing some karaoke, so we went to Sip and Sing, or Sing and Sip, one of the two. I'll post it in the video or whatever. But that place was cool, good price on the drinks, and had a decent menu. But now we about to head to Mega Dance Clubs. So that's gonna be the end of this video. So until next time, deuce.